With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here we have a question from the topic collision. Two balls of equal masses moving with equal speed in mutually perpendicular directions stick together after collision. If the balls were initially moving with a speed of 30 by root 2 meter per second each, the speed of their combined mass after collision is. So what is going to happen? If this is your ball 1, let us say it has mass m and velocity we know 30 by root 2, and this is your second ball that is again moving with velocity with mass m and velocity 30 by root 2. So after some times what is going to happen, these two are going to collide at this point. So just before collision the system would look something like this. So what is going to happen is that as the mass and basically as the momentum of both the particles are same, so the final particle is going to move along the bisector. It is obvious because the amount of impulse in the upwards direction will be same as the amount of impulse in the right direction. So basically the net particle, that is the of mass 2m, will start moving along the bisector. So if we have this conclusion, what we can make out is, if I write the momentum conservation equation along this line, so why I am writing along this line? Because if we take this as a system, so as a system all the forces of deformation are going to cancel out, so we can conserve the momentum. So initially both of these were having, if this is theta and this is theta as well, we know that both of these angles are 45 degree as they were moving perpendicular to each other. So what we can write is m 30 by root 2 cos 45, and both of these values are same, so I'll just multiply it by 2 to write for both of these, and this will be equals to the final velocity 2m mass. The 2m mass will be moving with some velocity v dash, let us say, so it will be equals to 2m v dash. So from here if I solve, what I get is our value of v dash comes out to be equals to 30 by root 2 multiplied by cos 45, that is 1 by root 2, so it will be 30 by 2, that will be nothing but 15 meter per second. So basically the mass of 2m, that is the combined mass, is going to start moving with a velocity of 15 meter per second along the bisector of the initial path. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.